Hi everyone, welcome back. Final exam past paper, question 2. This is our first past paper and question 2 about mechanics. Let's see what they are asking now. You have this system, okay, object P and object Q you have 1.25 kg, 2 kg, and then we have apply force, all right, all given. And then frictional force for P is 1.8 Newton. Okay, let's try to understand the question first, and then we can answer together. So, question 2.1, state Newton's second law of motion in words. Please try first. You'll get your 30 seconds to try question 2.1, Newton's second law. Just you are going to write it down, and then you can see answer on next slide. But please try first. This is our question 2.1. Today we are answering question 2, past paper 1, question 2 only. And then next lesson we are going to carry on with question 3. So let's continue. Newton's second law. I hope you have done, finish writing. And then now please check. This is our answer. It's coming now. Newton's second law with different options from memorandum. When a resultant or net force acts on an object, the object will accelerate in the direction of the force. The acceleration is directly proportional to the resultant force, inversely proportional to the mass of the object. This is our Newton's second law, or you can say other options. This is our answer for question 2.1. Let's see what else they are asking. Question 2.2 is coming now. You are going to get your 30 seconds for this question also. Draw a labeled free body diagram for P. Okay, this is our question. Just think about that. What force is acting on object P? And then we are going to draw free body diagram. Your 30 seconds start. So please try. Just draw what forces we have on object P. Think about tension force, friction force, and other forces. Think about that and try to draw first. If you need extra time, of course, you can stop video and then you can try. Last second. Yes, time's up. So, free body diagram for object P like this. Why? Because we have tension force and friction force, normal force, and gravitational force. Let's double check. On the system, you can draw first for this kind of questions before you start drawing free body diagram. They said object P, so we have this way tension force. And then on the surface, we have friction force and normal force start from surface and going up perpendicular to surface, normal force, and gravitational force from center of object and going down. You can use W or FG. You can just draw like this on the system first, and then you are going to draw your free body diagram just like this one. So please don't forget to write all names. What was the small f, and then W and T, tension force, friction force, normal force, all label them. So they accept this one also. It is force diagram. By mistake, if you draw force diagram, they accept also. For this memo, they said like that. Okay, question 2.1. They ask you Newton's second law. 2.2. Draw free body diagram. Now, next question. We are going to calculate something. Calculating what? Tension in this thing. Okay, we are calculating tension force. We can use this P, object P. It is easy one because we know friction force on object P, and tension force going to be much easy to get because if you try to use Q, it will be difficult. Tension force 231. For 231, get your 30 seconds. 231. You are calculating tension force. What we know? We know friction force here. It is given 1.8. F equals 1.8 newtons. And tension force is here, you know that. Let's use this, and then you can calculate tension force. Okay, time is up for 2, 3, 1. Let's try. Let's see our answer now. Question 2, 3, 1. How we are going to calculate? First of all, we are using Newton's second law for object P. Newton's second law for object P. What forces we have? Tension force is here, and friction force is here, and you can write F net equals m times A, you can say that, or tension plus friction force equals MA, or tension minus friction force MA. Any of these you can write to get 1 mark. And tension, if you say right positive, you are choosing that. You are saying that, okay, for now on the question, they didn't tell us object is going to the right or left. But if you choose right side, tension first, because direction of motion always positive. If you say object is moving right side positive, tension minus friction equals m times A. And tension we don't know, we are going to calculate. Friction force is 1.8 and mass is 1.25. 1.25 and acceleration is 0.1, also given in question. Acceleration is 0.1, acceleration is 0.1, and then we can, yes, tension minus 1.8, friction force is equal to mass times acceleration, and then you are calculating tension force. If you say left as positive, now you are going to write friction minus tension or minus T plus F. You are using that and then getting tension force. Easy one. So using Newton's second law for object P. And next question, angle. We are going to calculate now. You know tension force and you know already apply force. Please try to get angle for apply force. This is our question 2, 3, 2. Oh, sorry, answer already showing. Okay, you didn't see that, right? Okay, let's continue. Please try to get angle just using Newton's second law for object Q. That's it. Yeah, now we are going to use apply force minus tension force. It's a simple one. If you need extra time, please stop the video and then carry on. Yes, time is over for now. We are going to calculate tension force. Sorry, tension force we done already. Angle we are going to calculate now. So F net equals m times A, Newton's second law. Now we are using object Q. Okay, let's calculate angle Q. Sorry, this angle. So you are using this force first, F times cos angle here. And this side we have tension force. And what else we have? Friction force this way. If you drop all forces on the object, it's easy to calculate. So we can use this formula, F times cos angle minus tension force minus friction force, just like this one here, and equals m times A. F net equals m times A, or you can write F times cos angle minus tension minus friction force equals m times A, or F times cos angle plus tension plus friction equals MA, all of them right. But if you say plus plus, you should just change when you write, you should write negative. All right, even if you write plus plus here, you must use negative negative because of opposite direction. You should just say right as positive one more time. So this side positive, this side negative. So F times cos angle, F is 7.5 times cos angle minus 1.93, already we calculate in other question, and minus 2.2 now. Friction force for Q, 2,2 newtons. I hope it is clear. And then mass is 2 for Q times 0.1. Acceleration, same, because for system, acceleration is 0.1. If you say left positive, same process, opposite direction, and then you are getting angle like this. Question 2, 3, 2, done. This is our mechanics question. We have done. Let's continue. Another question here? No. Okay, question 3 is coming now. We are going to continue next video with question 3. You will get your 30 seconds for each part of question, and then we are going to carry on next lesson with our question 3, past paper 1, question 3 coming next lesson. Thank you very much. See you next lesson.